So like a lot of people, I got one of these pancake compressors, which I've had for a long time. And recently it started losing pressure, I noticed. You know, I mean, I'm not in here every day, and I would come to this thing and it'd be empty. And so I tried an experiment where I filled it full of air, and then I took off the hose and I left it sit. And 2 days later, there's still air in it. I'm like, so what's going on? So then I plugged the hose in one evening, and then the next morning it was down to 0. So the immediate suspicion that there's something wrong with the hose. But then I started fiddling with it, and so let's get a closer look. So I put the hose in, and I noticed if I let it sit, I mean, there's not even, you can hear the hissing. Now here's the old hose. This is a Flexzilla hose. I got this from Lee Valley. It's really nice and flexible, whereas the old one is this stiff rubber. But I tried this one just to compare, and that one seems to sit okay, but it also, if you put any sort of pressure on it, it can go. And I tried hooking the two hoses together, and that seems okay. So I'm wondering if this coupling is the issue, and not that it's leaking right now, but when there's a fitting in it. So I think I'm going to try taking this off and see if that makes a difference. So fortunately this thing is pretty much out of air, because the first thing I got to do is empty this tank. Where is the relief valve? Way over there. Now fortunately, I happen to have this coupler set that I picked up from Princess Auto a number of years ago when I needed one tip. So I've got two of these. I have the inside and the outside, and I think this is the one that I need. And so I just need to take this off, and I'm almost disappointed because, of course, inside every guy there's a little boy who would like new toys, because I was like, you know, I wouldn't mind buying a new compressor. I don't need a great big one, but I would like a quieter one. Who wouldn't? Oh, well, a little bit of Teflon tape. Make sure we're sealing those threads. Right. Okay, now we need to find out if that was a quick and simple fix. So okay. Holding air right now. Ah, there we go. And I give it a wiggle, and I don't hear a thing. Sounds good. Now, I'll come back tomorrow and see if it's changed. And here we are the next morning. It's dropped maybe a little bit, but it is nowhere near 0. And that's a lot better. I can live with that. See you later.